Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about a side hustle that can make you at least $200 in a month from the comfort of your home. Please note, I'm sure on this website. Let's do the math. So, the math will be according to the exchange rate. Now we have like 780 naira to $1. So multiply it by 200, that's like 156,000. Imagine you're earning 150K as a side hustle. You understand? Because this particular website works and it is very, very legit. This particular website has been around over the years. Now, it is legit, but you don't hear people talking about it because people do not like to share their secret with others. It is as simple as that. So guys, if you're just seeing our video for the first time, this is Safe Hustle, and please hit the subscribe button, like this video to encourage us, and turn on the post notification bell so that whenever we upload important videos like this or make money videos like this, you will be the first to receive the notification. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you, and we really appreciate you guys. Now, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? I told you guys we'll be having a giveaway. The giveaway will be soon. Actually, I'm planning it because I don't know how to go around or how to spoil my people. I don't know how to spoil my people, so I'm looking for the best way. But the giveaway will be this month. This month. So if you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? So now let's just head straight into my Chrome browser so that you guys will see. Now, this particular website, you'll be signing up as an evaluator. Please, the link will be in the comment section. It will be the first link in the comment section for you to sign up. You'll be signing up as an evaluator. You understand? Not as a client. You get, because we are here to make the money, so we'll be signing up as a worker. So now the says 6 benefits of being a bear evaluator. It says extra income, and with our transparent evaluation system that helps you improve your work and ensures fair democratic scheduling. Fun work, learning more about interesting products and brand is fun, and helping companies to make a difference is truly rewarding. Next one is feel valued. With competition increasing daily, you will be valuable assets to company looking to improve customer experience. Now, the most interesting part is fair pay. Bear ensures reasonable compensation and maintains secure and accurate financial control system, so your money is safe. You are getting, like, you are not investing. This website is free to sign up, but the earnings you'll be making from this website is actually safe, and you'll be earning in dollars. You understand? Now, they have flexible work hours. On this website, they post their jobs, this job at a particular time that is suitable for you. Then bear, they have a professional reputation. The truth is, this website has been around for over the years, like I think over 15, 20 years or so. You understand? And it's working in Nigeria, it's working in 163 countries. It works in 163 countries. So I did my review very well, I did my research very well. The signing up option, you come up here, as you can see, it says become an evaluator signing, evaluator FAQ, getting paid, party, and FAQ. Now, you choose to become an evaluator. Please do not sign up as a client, sign up as an evaluator. You click on this become an evaluator. The first thing you do is you click on English. Now, the signing up is very, very simple. The Here you have to enter your email address. Let me enter my email address here. So next thing here is you choose your country of residence. Here we have our country of residence, so I'll be going in with Nigeria because I am based in Nigeria. I'll click on go. So now this is what you have to fill out. You need to fill out these things. I'm taking my time to put you guys through this their application policy, so that there will not be any mistake. You understand? You need to fill in your details. Now you need to input your first name as listed on your ID, like your true name. You understand? Your true name. So I will input it, your first name as on your, maybe your national ID or international ID, then input your last name, then input your Gmail, then input your password, then input your address, then your city. Please, I don't even know the city that you are, but if you are available in Lagos, you get more jobs in Lagos. So I'm choosing Lagos State because I am available in Lagos, so I can visit any place and do any review in Lagos. After your country Nigeria, you have your postal code. Like my own is 100 100 282. Then you have your main phone number. Then you have, if you have a phone number for receiving whatever, that is your own. You understand? Now please know that all these places that they asterisk like this, they are important. All these places that have been asterisk are very, very important. The next one here is, you need to tell them that you need to authorize them to send you messages. You click on yes. After authorization, you need to input your date of birth, you input your gender, then you come to where it says platform policy. You read through. Please scroll through to the last, like the last, read and scroll through to the last. Like, take your time to scroll through, and then you click on I have read the agreement and policy. The next one is independent contract agreement. It said it is for residents of Brazil. So we are not residents of Brazil. So just, scroll down, I agree, and you click on this sign me up. So please, your password, make sure it carries a capital letter, a small letter, and has to carry an extra character, something like heart, asterisk, hash, dollar, all those things. Now the next thing here is, now this is the basic job whatever. So they said they have one shop available for me to go and check out. So now guys, this is the page, this is the dashboard. Now they said they have one particular job available for me, and the job is at Lagos Ikeja and somewhere around Ogunniake Street, and the job field is $100. So I have to apply. The job is even an hotel job. As you can see, it says I should reserve a room in the hotel. So maybe if you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend or a fiance or my husband, so I think I'll be going with my husband. So as you can see, it says they will give me a standard room, like a standard single bedroom for a night. I can shop there. There is always a full reimbursement for whatever shopping I do. Now the thing I must do is, the requirement I must do is, I have to make sure I go through what they do at the bar section. So that is all I need to do. It is a bar evaluation. So I'll just go there, buy a drink, sit, check how they are responding to customers and all of that. So these jobs are quite easy. The only thing you need is to make sure you follow the instruction. You understand? Is to make sure you follow the instruction. So guys, let me know what you think about this particular website. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.